subscribe, comment, like and share. Shopbus TV. Production. Contact number 8765658124.
Something good. You understand? A lot of people don't want to lose it.
Anybody can come up and say anything. But with me, I don't say it's gold because I don't know. But it can be. And the thing about it, if it's gold, them now come up and tell you that it is gold. Them gonna keep it down until them do what they want to do, and then now them step in and do what they want. So them can say it is not gold when it's gold, so we don't sure. So all I can say, whosoever got a little piece, them just keep it until. No matter how small, I think something in it. That's my belief. I don't know about others.
Many times government don't tell the truth.
Only thing me I do I hear message say then test it and it no good. I know me not see nobody can test it. You understand? And me have one portion and me really need to know why it, you know. Because I believe say some value the pan it. So we need the big guys to contest it right on the spot so people them can know what them have. You understand?
Yes, people, again. We talk about the goal when we talk about the final country people. You may say, people, me tell you something, people. Don't listen when them politicians have to say and stop ball up to them. Because them now going to tell you the truth. You hear me tell you now? Them now going to tell you the truth, big people. Same thing in Uganda. If you notice, in Uganda, see, I saw a white man and go down there. See, and them a mine and all them things. Them use the metal detector and find the gold and down them place easy and take it out of the country. Just like that. See, the people of Uganda, see, right, overseas people like the white guy and then thing, England and anybody come from all over, come take out the gold out of Uganda. This man say, use a metal detector and take out the gold out there. The government of Uganda, that mean the people them know say, boy, yo, watch your rate, they allow the outsiders to come take it and get rich off of it. This man say, the outsiders then come in and take it and get rich off of it, people. Same thing with this government here. They're not going to tell us our goal. Yes, it's part of it full goals. See? But people do the research for themselves and stop about send bigger heads and rare. Nobody ask them something. Just just do some research and know what to find. This man say, the soil, the type of soil there, you see, if you check it out, people, you know say why back in South Africa, the mining place are like in South Africa and Mexico and place there. See, you know say why it have a soil, see, and them have a soil gold in it. This man say, but yes, it's part of it a full gold. See, because if you look on the edge of the full gold, you see the real gold. You can strip it off and find it soft, you see a real gold, people. Yeah, man, real gold. This man say because we not show some yellow part around the full golds, wrap around the full golds. We know say by the part they are real gold. You can strip off and melt off of the full golds, right? Why the Chinese allow to come in our country and mine the full goals of the country and kind of film country? That means it worth something, don't it? It worth something. You see what I say? But can't so me I say all the videos that me I see with the gold and the fire down there. You see what I say in Jamaica, you want to find in Jamaica down in the country there. You see what I say? Right? Can't so me I see. See, I can see the yellow gold around the full golds when you can melt off and think you know the real gold that. Yeah man. The real gold, because watch out, just use the teeth, people, just bite, just chip it off and just use the teeth and squeeze and find it soft. And real gold for the find it soft. You hear that? You see me say? The other night, I see another video again with a youth that show you something where like it's a platinum thing like. See, please people, don't throw away on things. Right? See, because remember the government don't with us, you know. They're with the Chinese and these white people from England, America, and some Canada and some countries. You know what I'm saying? No, with us. See, they don't really want to see we. They rather fool we, the people in Jamaica here. See? Local people. See? And build the Chinese and the English and the Americans and the Canadian and them people. You know what I'm saying? So don't give up hope, people. Watch out, people. The next thing. Why me and I hear news about an argument that say there's a man come there, see, he come there the second day, see, and he take away about a few pieces of the what we call full goals, right? See, why the next day he come back and offer $1,000? As I hear, I don't know if it's truth or a lie. Why them a offer you? Why the man come back and offer $1,000 for each piece of gold or piece of fine? Eh? Why? Eh? Using the head. That means it's worth something. Here? As soon as they give up on it, I notice. Alright. As soon as they give up people, because they might try to make it somebody, it don't worth nothing. But as soon as they give up, watch what will happen. The Chinese the Chinese are forward and build fence, double fence. Double fence. One who can't even see what go inside there. Right? They might mind everything and Chinese are controlling everything, people. All the riches and want to forget until the Chinese are controlling. You hear that? Them not with us. Our government don't with us, people. You understand what I say? They're not with us. The Chinese are mine out our country and backside and thing and notice not most of these full goals they find they might catch a flame country because it worth something. Right? This government time look them get buyout people. Don't listen to them. Continue dig when I dig and find. There's somebody one day come one day and come pay on a good amount of money for a fine. Yeah? You ever tell you now? Do some research, people. Do some research. I want to know one fine. I want to say know riches on fine. You understand that? Do some research. Cause we see a video where I use I'm talking for. It's showing some come on, it comes like a platinum the youth fine. Yeah? It's like a platinum. You see me I say? Right? But as I say, the yellow part of the full gold is that a real full gold, this people. A real gold right there, so. We can melt off the full gold and get the real gold. Here? You see me? Don't listen to them because they're not with us. Here? I say about Uganda, you have people from England, America, Canada, about here with them detector machine. When you say, well, the man run close to the ground and whatever time they hear it, make the beep, they know something there. When they dig up, a gold about fine. That's why I say, I know all them people allow to take the gold of the country and become rich. That's why I say, become rich and famous people. You understand what I say? So don't make them fall, you know. And stop look up to them people. Stop look up to them people because they don't mean no good. Here, they don't mean no good. You see what I say? Because if they mean no good, somebody come along right away and tell the truth. Say, boy, yo, watch out. This is the full goal and this part of the real goal. You understand? But they want to tell them point blank say, it not worth nothing. But it worth something to the Chinese. Yo, people wise up and do some research. You hear me telling them? Shop Boss TV production people. Remember, what I said to you say, do some research on it. Do some research on it. You hear me say? Decide, remember, check it out. Go check it out. Do some research, people. That's all I have to tell them now. Do some research before you give up. Don't give up, guys. Ain't you want to give up? Guess what? I try to come in that place and do some big mining. Then try to show you and say, well, big mining. No, don't give up. I want to still look up to them people. I want to still look up to them government people. Eh? I want to still do it. I want to know. We sell out. We get sell out. Same place, same with a Maypen, right? They start people, local people from mine the river. From mine sand. And when I check it out, a Chinese come and mine for themselves. What am I find, eh? What am I find? Eh? Don't check them things out. Check out them things there. People, don't be. Make them come check on. Right? On stand up for on the right. And what's in the country, when I find in the country, make sure somebody don't find it in the country for themselves. Don't make the Chinese and American and English and Canadian people come and contact none for you. Remember, keep on the have. And say them go and you know what make you be rich out of one and fine. Eh? Yo, make sure somebody nobody. Since you can't get the riches out of one and fine people, don't make no Chinese and nobody come there and come take away nothing from there. Remember, you know, me hear say a man come there and him take away a few, right? And then the next day come back and I offer $1,000. We don't know if it's true or a lie. You hear me say? I don't know if it's true or a lie. Right, but me hear. Say, yo, the man come. And the man, what? I found $1,000 for each pieces. Look here, don't and chicken here. Don't do some research. Do some research. Do some research and see what I go on. Uganda, all these African countries, all the Caribbean countries today. If you notice who take all the riches of our country, white man, China man, and that do the mine in our country. It's not said that way. This sector will find the gold easy in our country, people. Right? Uganda, oh, check it out. A white man mine the country and I took all the gold out of the country, people, while the people, the black people did that suffer. It's not because of the government, the black government. It's not the black prime minister, the black government, them. It's not allow them. Because they get a look of some change for allow these people come in the country, come mine, come search and find the gold and mine out the gold out of the country, people. So same thing happened in Jamaica with Chinese them people. We never stand for one because our country is not for them. And we can't be sold out, seeing and make them come take out all the riches of our country and we left brought down, hungry, starving. Yo, look here, man. We need for wise of right across the nation of right across the Caribbean black countries. We need to focus about and unite and think and say no more, we stop. And this black government we are selling out to the white and sell the riches to the white and the Chinese, we need to get rid of them. Simple. Yeah, man. Me say so. You see what I say? Shop Boss TV production and we say so. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Time for stop, man. Stand up. Because we want, we can't make them come to the country, come take out the best of our country and leave with broken down and all this and chick way to come clown. No way. You see what I say? Shop Boss TV production, you don't know people. You see what I say? Subscribe people and call in people and don't know so about people, you don't see the number and all them thing there. You see what I say? Yo, whatever, I send them this description and thing. Yo, people, Jano, you must say, big up yourself, people. Up top like heaven, you don't know. Up top.